from Plus and Partner, because the big difference is roles. Plus and Partner have them, the other two don't. So let's look at a very simple example, just one that involves a vital first step in setting up any community. So your company wants to set up a portal community for the resellers and have a number of managers within each reseller who should be able to view and edit all accounts and opportunities. So whenever we enable an account as a partner, we are automatically creating a partner hierarchy within the account with uniquely named roles. So an account called Acme, where we enable them as a partner account, we now have a hierarchy with a role called Acme Partner User at the bottom. Above them, we have Acme Partner Manager, and even above them, we have Acme Partner Executive, all ultimately reporting to the account owner. So it's all built in for us, zero additional sharing required, really, really simple. And as a bonus, this is virtually the exact same for Customer Community Plus users in an account. So customer user reports to the customer manager, who reports to the customer executive. So the roles for Acme would be Acme Customer Executive, etc. Now note that the roles are not available for regular Customer Community users, only in Plus, and reports and dashboards are also only for Plus. Now there's no customization option for these roles, it's all very simple and direct. However, imagine that back at Acme, we enable them as a partner account and a portal user. We then spot a real problem. There's only one role available to us. This is because we missed one of the most important areas in community settings, the number of default roles. So if we jump into our community settings, see that it had been at 1, so we set it to 3 for both customer and portal users. Jump back into our account, but yet again, there's only one role available. So your partner and customer accounts are actually locked into those values at the point of enabling them. So imagine if you mass enabled hundreds of partner accounts which defaulted just one role. That'd be a tricky one to solve. Now, apparently a lower number of roles increases performance, but you need to be incredibly sure of future requirements to select less than 3. So now that we've seen how to set up the role hierarchy for partners and Customer Plus users, let's just return quickly to community settings to see what else is there. We can allow editing of the opportunity or lead owner fields for partner users if we wanted our partners to pick up leads as and when they wanted to. We can enable a partner super user. This gives the same rights as a partner executive role, plus visibility over records owned by other partner executives, i.e. their peers in the hierarchy.